October Road. And I'd like to see that little friend of mine that was left behind once upon a time. Oh, promised land, and me still standing. It's a test of time, it's a real good sign. Let the sun run down behind the hills, I know I'll be standing still till the moon rises up behind the pine, oh Lord. October Road. An October Road. October Road. It's the big time in life that I can't abide. Raise my rent, tend my high. Sweet call of the countryside. Go down slow, open wide. I did my time, and it changed my mind. I'm satisfied. Oh, I got so low down, fed up. My God, I could hardly move. Tell mama, my brother, get on up, help me to find my groove. See me walking October Road. See me walking in the sunshine, yeah. That little friend of mine. Help me now. Oh, October Road. Well, the sun's not so hot in the sky today, and you know I can see summertime slipping on away, slipping on. A few more geese gone, a few more leaves turning red. But the grass is as soft as a feather in a feather bed. Oh, darling. So I'll be king and you be queen. Our kingdom's gonna be this little patch of green. Won't you lie down with me right now in this September grass? Won't you lie down with me now, September grass? Yeah, yeah. For the memory is like the sweetest pain. Yeah, I kissed a girl at a football game. Still smell the sweat and the grass stain. We walked home together, but I was never the same. but that was a long time ago. Where is she now? Oh, I don't know. Won't you lie down with me now in this September grass? Won't you lie down with me now? September grass. Oh, September grass is the sweetest kind. It goes down easy like apple wine. Hope you don't mind if I pour your songs made that much sweeter by the winter to come. Do you see those ants dancing on a blade of grass?